One more very much important point is remaining, that is operator precedence, that I am going to explain now. Operator precedence in C language. Okay, actually what is exactly the precedence? Precedence is nothing but priority operator. Means which, if any expression is having multiple operators, then which operator will get resolved first? Okay, will be evaluated first. In which order the operations will be taken place in any expression, that will be decided by this precedence or associativity. Now when this associativity will comes in picture, if multiple operators are having same precedence, then in which order again they will get evaluated, that will be decided by the associativity of operator. Consider one example here. Suppose I have written like 2 plus 3 into 4 in this way. Now what will be the result of this expression, that we have to find out now. See, suppose first this will get evaluated, then what is the answer here? 2 plus 3 is 5 into 4, here we will get 20 answer. Now we can also get one more answer like this. Suppose 2 plus 3 into 4, suppose this action will take place first, then in that case 2 plus 4 3s are 12, we will get 40. Now which one is the correct? Okay, actually this is the wrong answer, this one is the correct answer. Why this one is the correct? Because we know that this multiplication symbol is having higher priority than this plus symbol. That's why this action should get resolved first, this operator should get evaluated first, and then only plus action will get taken place. In this way it should get resolved. Means first 3 into 2, that is 12, and then add 2 to it, then we will get 14 answer. This is the perfect answer. Now see here in this table, I have written all the operators which are already available in C language, which we have already discussed about all these operators, and what is the associativity I have written here. Now see, this parenthesis is always having highest priority. Then these unary operators, okay, this plus and minus, these are the increment operator and decrement operators. Here again I have written plus and minus. Actually these two are different. This one is a postfix increment and decrement postfix, and these are the prefix operators. Okay, postfix increment and decrement operators are having higher priority than this prefix one. Then unary operators, then this one is a logical not operator, this one is a one's complement operator, typecasting operators, this asterisk, then address of, then size of, these all are operators at this level. Okay, and these all are having same priority. Okay, but this one is having higher priority than this one. In this way all operators I have written. Now see here, we have used in this expression, we have used these two operators like plus and multiply. This plus is having lower precedence, lower priority than multiplication symbol. That's why this is having higher priority. That's why this should get evaluated first. Okay, that's why this result is the correct one. Now suppose I have written this expression in this way, like 2 plus 3 and then into 4. Now which should get evaluated first? See, this parenthesis is having higher priority than this multiplication and this plus. Okay, there are 3. That's why this whatever inside parenthesis should get resolved first, and then only consider the other operators. Now see, first this will get resolved, that is 5, and then into 4 there is now only one action, that is 20 will be the correct answer. Now if we have written in this way, okay, the expression is in this way, then the 20 is the correct answer. Now next one, these are the left shift and right shift operator, then these are the relational operators, assignment operators, these are the equal to and not equal to operator, then these are the bitwise operators. Means what? These are the relational operators are having higher priority, higher precedence than equality, comparison operator, equal to and not equal to. Okay, means then next one is bitwise operators are having low priority, low precedence, lower precedence than these comparison operators. In this way all operators are here. Now see, the least precedence operator is a comma operator and highest precedence operator is a parenthesis. Okay, now this is nothing but all about operator precedence. Now what is associativity? For that we will see one example now. suppose the expression is like this, 2 into 4 divided by 2, or in this way, suppose 20 into 4 divided by 2. Suppose this is the expression. Now see, we know we have this multiplication and division, two operators are here. Now this multiplication and division both are having same precedence. Now which action, which operator will be evaluated first? Now see here, multiplication and division both are having same precedence. Then we have to go for associativity. Now associativity is from left to right. Operator which is on the left will gets evaluated first, and then we have to go towards right in this way. That's why this multiplication is on left side and this one is right, means left to right we have to move in this way. Now that's why first this will get result, that is 20 into 4, that is nothing but 80, and then divide 2, then the answer will be 40 in this way. Now this is nothing but precedence and associativity of operators. Okay, now see one more example I am going to explain here. Suppose I have written like this, suppose I have one integer variable x having value 5 suppose. Okay, now next one is, suppose I am writing like this, integer y. Okay, and suppose I have written like this, y equals to plus x in this way. This is the expression suppose. Now see, we know that this plus x, this is a pre-increment operator. Okay, pre-increment operator means prefix operator, this plus is having higher priority than this equal to operator. Equal to operator is here. Okay, means priority of this one is greater than this one. Okay, now that's why first this will get resolved. Means plus x will be evaluated first. Now what is the value of x? X will become 6. Okay, and then assignment will get taken place, that is x will be 6 and y will be also 6 in this case. This is nothing but the example of precedence and associativity. Okay, this is just operator precedence in C. Now see one more example I am going to explain here. Suppose we have declared three variables like a, b and output variable is there. These all are of type integer. Now suppose a is having 10 value, this is assignment operator, b is having 5 value. Now I want to resolve this expression, I want to evaluate this expression. Now to evaluate this expression, we have to check the precedence of operators and also associativity. Now see here, there are multiple operators. The first one is plus, multiply, minus, divide and modulus. Here we know that this multiplication, divide and modulus, this one, these are having higher priority than this plus and minus. That's why this will get resolved first. But in these three, which one will be the first? That will be decided by this associativity. That is from left to right we have to resolve it. That's why this a plus will be as it is. Now this one will get resolved first. From left to right we have to go. That's why b is having value 5 into 5 will get resolved first. That means here you will get value 25. And then minus a, then divide b, then modulus a in this way. Now see the next one means now which operators are remaining, this one and this one. Again these are having same precedence, same priority. Now again we have to move from left to right here. That's why this should get resolved first. Now see here, a plus 25 minus. Now a divided by b. A is 10, b is 5. That's why 10 divided by 5 we will get 2. That will be the answer here. And now this one, next one is like modulus a. Okay. Now see. Now the remaining operators are like plus, minus and modulus. In this modulus is having higher priority. That's why higher precedence. That's why this will get resolved first. Okay. That means a plus 25 minus c. 2 modulus a is a 5. 2 modulus 5. 2 modulus 5 is what? In this way. 2 modulus 5. 5 zeros are 0. The remainder is 2. That's why the answer. Modulus operator always gives us remainder. That's why here answer will be 2. In this way. Now see. The expression will be in this way. Now which will gets evaluated first? Now this plus and minus both are having same precedence. Now which will gets evaluated first? That will be again dependent on the associativity, that is from left to right. Now left to right we have to move, that's why this will gets resolved first. Okay, now how? See, a plus 25, a is having value 10, 10 plus 25 is 35, and then minus 2. Now here only one operator is there, that's why you will get result 33 in the output. This is how to resolve, how to evaluate any expression using this precedence and associativity table.